down. Knock it off, guys. Beat it. That's it. I'm gonna call the principal.
My name is George, and I come to you from our secret lair. I am going to take over your world, and yes, I am a cat. Did I get that right? Okay. My plan is to release a toxic chemical that'll take away you and your beloved superhero's love. Inside, he really is just a sweet kitten. He means well. Yeah, okay. Now, we must get down to business. Goodbye.
I'll be back.
Hello, this is Hero We Are Inc. All of the heroes are busy at a conference for the weekend.
Yes, here we are. I really need my heroes right now. There's an emergency happening. I guess I'll have to dial them personally.
Hello, this is Captain Canada. Please leave your name and number after the beep.
Hey, it's me. There's an emergency right now. I really need you.
You've reached the voicemail of Kitty Claus. Leave your name and message at the beep.
Hey, there's an emergency. There's a new threat happening, and we really need you.
Please leave a message at the beep.
Hey, please pick up. I really need you guys. Guess I'm gonna have to do this the hard way.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. You know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying. I wasted everybody's time and everybody's money. What do you want? This is a closed rehearsal.
Apologies, but I hear that you're a hero. Is this true?
Maybe. Why do you ask?
I'm sure you heard of our new threat. George?
Not really.
I can't seem to contact my team. Would you like to be a part of my new team that I'm assembling?
Count me in.
That was a brilliant plan you had to get all the superheroes to go to that fake conference, George. I know, George. This is a very toxic chemical here. Litter box, right.
Did you have the salmon again, George? Oh my god. Oh god.
So why call up a bunch of hero rejects with no training to save the city when you got perfectly fine heroes at Hero We Are?
What on earth is he saying?
He only speaks gibberish. Give him some time. We can't understand him quite yet, but he's very intelligent. And to answer your question, all the heroes at Hero We Are at some conference somewhere else.
Well, I don't have much going on at home, and you guys seem pretty nice, so I'm in. If he's in, I'm in.
Okay, what now?
Maybe we can start by tracking the broadcast. So I got this antidote from Dr. Bizarre, but it only has one use, so we kind of need to use it wisely.
Who's this George, and what does this chemical even do?
It leeches the love off of everybody in the city, and if we don't save it, we're doomed.
I still don't know what a bunch of reject superheroes are doing here. I know Mighty Man's the only one with fighting skills. Dramaton is good at distracting people, but what about the rest of us? I still don't even know where I disappear my objects to.
I can turn invisible only when people aren't looking at me.
Why are you here? You can't even crack a simple code. Your powers are useless.
What are you talking about? He's the sweetest guy I've ever met.
Says you. Your power's pointless. All you do is fall in love.
He's not pointless. You are. You can't even lead us. You can't speak up to tell us what to do. I wouldn't be surprised if you were nervous over your own shadow. Okay, let's go before George releases his chemical, before love is leached out of the city.
What did you do? That was important. Why did you pick it up? You knew it was gonna disappear if you picked it up. Your powers are so useless.
That may be true, but we are all we got. Now let's go and do this. Alright, I got a plan. Dramaton, get up here. Alright, looking glass. So when people look at you, you're not invisible. But what about when cameras look at you?
Yeah.
Alright, Dramaton, you're up.
Get 'em, hollowheads!
No, Mighty Man, no! No, are you okay? Mighty Man, I love you! It's the antidote. Mighty Man, take this! Is that a cat? I love cats. Hi. Hi, hey. Oh, I love cats. Hi, George. Hi. I love you. Oh, hi.
Aw, all George ever wanted in life was to be loved. What? George would like to call off the plan.
Hello, kids. So today we'll be learning about algebra. Can anyone tell me what the answer is?